Moving into a new premise, think TIA. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. So you've moved into a new premises and you've taken the baseline security measures to secure your building while you've moved your business and you've settled in and you're comfortable. The next step is to take a more calculated approach to securing your business. There are many ways you can reduce your risk, and it's easy by the acronym TIA. T for transfer. Can you transfer your risk? The easiest way to transfer your risk is through insurance, but there are ways in which you can transfer your risk or part of your risk to a third party. E stands for elimination. You cannot eliminate your risk by using any form of security measures, but you can eliminate the risk by stopping the activity that draws the risk or removing the asset from the business completely. A is for acceptance. Can you accept the risk? Is the risk small enough that you are quite willing to accept it and carry on normal operations? And lastly, reduction. How can you reduce the risk? And this is where security measures come in, and you reduce the risk to as low as reasonably practical. So remember, when you're moving into premises and you're looking to mitigate your risk, remember the acronym TIA. If you would like to know more about security for moving into new premises, why not download our security guide?